Compromises, deals, bargains, the Constitutional Convention, held here in Philly in 1787, was full of them. These compromises are well known. The Great Compromise over representation, the 3/5 Compromise that gave southern slaveholding states extra power whilst dehumanizing African Americans, and the creation of the Electoral College, designed to keep populism and demagoguery at arm's length in the office of the president. Staring into the abyss of economic crisis, the delegates had compromised in the face of major differences of opinion. Their bitterest debates were over slavery, which was such an explosive issue they couldn't even name it in the Finnish constitution. James Madison admitted that when it came to disagreements between the states, quote, the institution of slavery and its consequences form the line of discrimination. Yet, they reached agreement, even as they lamented the final document was not everything they'd hoped it would be. A relieved and frail Benjamin Franklin proclaimed, quote, I consent, sir, to this Constitution because I expect no better, and because I'm not sure that it's not the best. The opinions I have had of its errors, I sacrifice to the public good. To live in a democracy is to confront these differences and find a way to compromise.